it's a prime day time, and it means that if you have been looking for the different discounts to purchase your favorite camera, but you didn't want to purchase it for the full price, now this is the best time, especially if you are preparing for the vacation, because the next season of discounts will only come in 5 months during the Black Friday. So I prepared for you the list of the best discounts and actually deals that you can find on Amazon or on the official website. And let's start with the Insta360 because they offer really good discounts for some of my even favorite cameras that I'm using all the time. It's Insta360 X5 that now has dropped their prices up to 20% for different kind of bundles. And even now I'm filming with Insta360 X5. I found this is my most used camera during the last year. I have had this camera with me absolutely everywhere. I still have tons of the footage that wasn't even processed. So on the second place, it is perhaps the best deal for the 360 camera ever you will find. It is for Insta360 X4 Air because the price has been dropped to $299 for the standard camera only. And I think this is the best deal for the 360 camera. X4 Air still using all this advanced technology that we had in Insta360 X4 previous generation, but this is the light version. And I found that if you purchase Insta360 X5 or X4 Air on the official site, you will also get the free replacement kit for these cameras. Let's go next, because the next significant price drop was for Insta360 Go Ultra. This is the best portable camera that I'm also using now for filming this episode. This is perhaps the best option if you need the camera for the point of view. You can attach it pretty much everywhere. It has really advanced sensor. It has really good handling of the low light condition. It supports a lot of different modes. The battery is excellent. This is super portable. It has different magnets. And the best thing is that Insta360 offers around 20% off for this camera as well. So the next is Ace Pro 2. Because of now, the price is even 10% cheaper than for DJI Action 6 and more than 2 times cheaper than, for example, for the newest GoPro Mission 1 Pro. And if you've been wanting to buy Insta360 Ace Pro 2, now this is definitely the best time to do it because you can actually purchase 2 Ace Pro 2 for the price less than 1 GoPro Mission 1 Pro. And I think this is a really good deal. Let's jump to another brand. I also looked at the prices of different drones. For example, the Hover Air that's manufacturing different drones, the Follow Me drones, now are offering around 20% off for different bundles. This drone is super easy to use. You do not need any licenses. You can actually use it without any controllers. Just place on your hand, enable the mode, and the drone will start flying and following you. The best thing about this drone is that it has a large sensor. It supports 10-bit color and it films in 8K. Even if you want to control it remotely, you can directly connect it to your mobile phone and control up to 400 meters. But additionally, you can purchase different accessories such as the beacon accessory that will extend the control range for this drone up to 1 kilometers. But if you want to fly further and have more immersive view and actually the best drone experience, the anti-gravity is offers a 20% off for their A1 drone that, in my opinion, is the most advanced 360 drone. Anti-gravity is sub 250 grams drone. It means you don't need the license to fly it. You have literally the best experience of the goggles with anti-gravity A1. I've been trying different goggles and so far anti-gravity A1 are the only goggles that actually you can use like for a long time and it not give you the dizziness. As well, I found that DJI is offering different discounts for their drone. For example, for Mini 4K and other version of Mini drones. The Neo 2 has got but just a very small discount. I don't know if it makes sense to take a look at Neo 2 now or whenever you need it because the discounts is not really significant. Some other discounts are related to their action cameras like DJI Action 5 Pro. DJI is not offering any discounts so far for DJI Action 6. By the way, I'll have upcoming videos about DJI Action 6 and the best accessories for it. Not all the products that I mentioned here today are offering their discounts on Amazon or on their official websites. So I also prepare the link for you in the description below just for your convenience or you're not looking by yourself. So you can just directly explore the products that you really like. So that's it for today. I really hope that you'll find your best gadget, your best cameras that you've been looking for. Stay tuned for the next video. Cheers. Bye.